Here's how to tag a Docker image. A Docker tag does not create a new image, it simply gives an existing image another name. Once that clicks, the command becomes really easy. Open Docker Desktop, then open search and look for example, NAN. Notice the tag drop down next to the image. It lets you choose which version to download from Docker Hub. That selects an existing image tag from the registry. The Docker tag command works differently. It adds a new tag to an image you already have on your machine. For this example, instead of pulling the image from Docker Desktop, let's use the command line to show the complete tagging workflow. Open a terminal and run docker pull n8nio/n8n:latest. This downloads the n8n image tagged as latest to your machine. Now run docker tag n8nio/n8n:latest, then space and n8nio/n8n:demo. The first image is the source. The second image is the new tag you're creating. The syntax is basically docker tag source image, tag space target image, tag. Think of it as giving the same file two different file names. The image stays on disk only once. Both tags reference the same image. A tag is just a label, and you can have as many tags as you want on one image. A common task is marking a specific version as stable. For example, docker tag n8nio/n8n:demo, then space and n8nio/n8n:stable. Stable is not a special status, it's just another tag you control. That means you decide which version gets called stable. And one more thing. If you're pushing an image to Docker Hub, you can tag it with your Docker Hub username, but that's a tutorial for another time. For the most part, that covers tagging. You can label your images without duplicating any data. And there you go. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.